Hey Jonathan, my name is Sergio with Metro Design. In this screencast, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. House designs in New York City. Now, Joe is the owner of the agency, but I'll be guiding you on how we work together to grow your clientele. The first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, Jonathan, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Oftentimes, the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy attack plan of things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in the local owner still raising their hands and saying that they like me and can I do this for them. So if by the end of the video, if you like what you heard and you can see the skills I have to help your business grow and land more customers, you can shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it out yourself, that works for me too. Now, before you try to do it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. Now, first thing I'd like to go over is your content. So within your content, to optimize the Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. And I found your site has about 282 currently. In comparison to one of your competitors, KBR Remodeling, they have about 957. And this 957 is still very beatable. This just shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. And now every month people are searching for a certain keyword a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one. So I'm pulling up competitors in this tool called Ahrefs, and you can see what this site is actually ranking for. They have 803 backlinks, 1,111 referring domains, and 448 organic keywords. So I click on its organic keywords, you can see that what the keywords are in their content and what their site is ranking for, and what's bringing customers to their site. So this keyword, KBR Design and Build, they are ranking number one, which is the best position you can be in on a scale of 100. And the volume that this keyword is bringing in per month is 40. So 40 people are searching this keyword throughout Google each month. And KD is how hard it is to rank this keyword. On a scale of 0 to 100, 0 being the easiest. And for the traffic, this just relies on what position you are in and how much volume that this keyword is bringing in. So since he's in the 6th position, he's not bringing as much volume as he would be in the 1st position out of this 350. So now that you know a little bit about what volume, KD, traffic, and position all go into keywords, we can move on to the next section, optimization section, which is the second most important thing I'd like to talk about. We call this the Google Map Hack or Maps. So doing a search for New York Remodeling Company, you can see that they have a map pack. Click on View All. And you can see that they have the name of the company, the address of where they are at, and a phone number. And this is called Maps. So now you're asking, hey, how do I rank in Maps? Well, to answer your question, I'm going to go over this little resource I like to use called Whitespark. And inside the resource, you have a local citation finder. And I already did a search for a KBR Design and Build to show what citations you could take and what they are ranking for. So we can see that their site has about 32 citation sources. And within the 32, they have this list down here. Now some of these out of the 32 may not be eligible for Google to cite as a citation. So these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit a citation. Now, the third thing I like to go over with you is another important aspect of Google. We call this link juice. So as you can see, whenever you do the search for a New York remodeling company, and you go past Google Map Pack, we can see that KBR is in the 1st position for a local business in the area. And NYKB is a 2nd. And Knockout Renovation is a 3rd. Well, as you can see, you have a list of businesses on the 1st page of Google, and this is where you want to be. And to get there, you need to be out the competition in every aspect. This link juice simply put works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. Almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you were to have KBR model linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizza for a living. Now we'll pull up Ahrefs again. If you're looking to use this tool, I pay about $100 a month, and it's great for checking out any link juice that sites may have to offer. So as you can see, I pulled up a competitor, they have 803 backlinks. And looking down, we can see that these guys have these links. Therefore, we can take every single link they have and go after them for your own site. All right, well, the three things I talked about today: content, citations, and backlinks, link juice. And for your content, you need at least 1,500 words, fill the keywords throughout your homepage. And any service page you may offer needs about 500, and any about page needs at least 250, and contact page 250. That will get you fully optimized to Google. And for your citations, you want at least double or triple the citations that your competitor has, so at least 100 200 for your area. This will beat out any competition in the local area. And lastly, link juice, which is you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you will be number one across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now. You can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 515-468-3039. Once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 515-468-3039. I look forward to hearing from you, and you have a great one.